Good morning, ma'am. How are you?
Ma'am? सुनीता.
Sunita. I was
मैम
perplexed
कब
what
से
I
बन
need
गई
to
मैं?
say. Yeah, so hi
Uh-huh.
Sunita. How are you
Hello.
doing?
I'm doing absolutely fine. Just so happy today. And why? Because, for a few days I was feeling quite sluggish, but today I'm feeling so energetic. And that could be because I was about to meet you, maybe.
Okay, and I think Karwa Chauth is just around the corner. Yeah,
Yes, yes,
that's why
yes.
you are excited because we get festive vibes and
Uh-huh.
atmosphere becomes so energetic, right?
My reason is different.
Yeah.
I'm not excited about Karwa Chauth,
Okay.
but yes, I'm excited about others' Karwa Chauth. Like, I don't fast, but happy to see
Okay.
others wearing their Sunday best, I would say. So, it's my birthday today. That's why a little bit of
Okay.
excitement there.
Happy birthday, ma'am. Happy birthday, Sunita.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. So, there is a little bit of excitement.
Okay. So how do you celebrate your birthday? I would love to know.
Uh-huh. I don't do anything. I expect others to do something for me. So I'm expecting a surprise this evening.
Yes.
So
Okay.
let's see.
So have you ever got any surprise on your birthday till now?
Every time I get surprised, but the same boring surprise like cake, and then you
Okay.
have to dress up, and then that happy birthday song, after that, treat and everything, and then go to bed.
Okay.
So
So
nothing
apart
special.
from cake, yeah, apart from cake, have you ever got any different and unique birthday gift?
Hmm. My husband is after me for a very long time. What do you want on your birthday? But I'm kind of a weird person, let me tell you. Like, I don't want anything. Like, I feel that whatever he gets for me, I am definitely not going to like it because he has different choices and my choice is completely different. And I don't want to pile up unnecessary things, something that I don't like. So, I don't want to pile that up in my house, right? So I tell him that I don't want anything from you. Whatever I need, I'll
Oh,
get it for myself. But he was after
okay.
me. So
Okay.
the gift is also not there. And let's see, but
Mhm.
still I'm expecting, so let's see. But then we don't even go out somewhere because I live in mountains and then we don't have any such amenities here, restaurant and everything. So we don't go out and but I feel excited for my kids. Like they get really excited about cake and parties. So yes, when I see them enjoying
Mhm.
the party, I also feel happy that time.
Yes, yes. And I think you don't need to go anywhere. You are living on mountains, right? So that is a different planet for you.
But sometimes you feel like going out, no? I was planning that this November we'll go to Jaipur and Jodhpur because I'm really into these regal things, forts and everything. But then
Mhm.
this plan doesn't seem like working. So let's
Mhm.
see again. Like we don't plan much. If we'll feel like
Mhm.
going out somewhere, we can pack our bags and simply move out next day. So yes, not planning much. Let's see how's the weather. How will be the weather in November? Because this time it's really chilly, and I don't feel
Chilly.
like going out somewhere in winters because you have to pack a lot of stuff then, especially for your kids.
Mhm.
So it's really a
Mhm.
task. And then when you come back, you have to unpack everything and you know.
Yes, yes, I understand because my kids are young, so I prefer to go out during summer season because I
Yes.
don't need to pack a lot. When you
Hmm.
go in winters, then you have to pack lots of sweaters and all these things. So I try
Hmm.
to avoid. And you
Same here.
when you go in, and one thing is when you go in off season, you get a huge discount.
Like
So that
for
is also
tourism,
a
there is
great
an off
advantage.
season also.
Yes, yes. In off
Mhm.
season, we get a huge discount.
Like what is the off season? Which months?
Like if you want to go to Rajasthan,
Hmm.
Rajasthan is quite hot during summer season. So
Right.
when then you will get a huge discount if you will go to if you will go during summer season.
Okay, okay. Yes,
Mm-hmm.
because the rush will be less there.
Less,
Hmm.
I remember vividly where we went in the month of June and we got a 50-60% discount at that
Mhm.
time. So
Okay.
it was really a huge discount. Yeah.
Uh-huh.
We
That's
went to
very
Udaipur
nice.
and Mount Abu. Hmm.
Uh-huh. Discount is also
Mm-hmm.
secondary, but the first thing that you get is peace, and like you can wander here and there with not too much of crowd. Like not too much of crowd is there, so you can take advantage of that, and you can take your time to feel the vibe
Mm-hmm.
or to see things there. No. Hmm. Right. So you're dressed up
Hmm.
so nicely today. Any special occasion?
Yes, I applied henna on my hand.
Wow.
Yeah, tomorrow is Karwa Chauth. Yeah, so
Uh-huh.
yesterday when I saw your mail, we will have a session at 11:30. So immediately after, I called my henna artist, can you come early? Because I will have session at 11:30. So she
Uh-huh.
replied, yes, ma'am, I will come at 8:30 or 9
Mm-hmm.
so that you can take your session peacefully, no
Mm-hmm.
problem. Hmm.
Okay, nice. And like around Karwa Chauth, these henna artists would be charging up a lot, I guess. They charge a lot.
Yes, yes. Yes,
Uh-huh.
they charge a lot, and I paid 50 rupees extra for coming to my house.
Mm-hmm. Yes. So this is the time for making business for them.
Yes, yes. I remember last year I paid 250 rupees. This time I paid 370. Actually, she was
Hmm.
asking for 400. Hmm. She
Right, right.
knows, she already known because my kid is young, so I'm not
Mm-hmm.
able to take her along outside.
Yes, yes.
So that's why, so I thought, okay, let it be. You can come
Hmm.
to my house.
Sometimes it's
Yes.
okay when you're happy and there is festivities going around, so you don't
Hmm.
mind
Right.
paying extra.
Hmm.
You're
Yes, yes,
already
it's
feeling
true.
happy.
And
Right.
I love applying henna on my hands. I
Mm-hmm.
don't usually apply it throughout the year, even there is any wedding or occasion. But during Karwa Chauth, I love it,
Mm-hmm.
and that's why I got done in the morning only.
Amazing, amazing. So you are all sweat. Karwa Chauth is in full swing there. Like, do you celebrate in the society or in your home only?
No, we
Mhm.
celebrate in our family, with our family only.
Okay.
We
So
don't go outside. Yeah.
is it in your culture also? Like Punjab, you're Punjabi?
No, I'm not
Mm-hmm.
Punjabi.
Where are you from?
Hmm. Haryana.
Haryana. So Karwa Chauth is there in your culture?
Yes, yes. It's a big
Okay.
festival, yes. And even if we don't apply henna on our hands,
Mm-hmm.
people start asking questions. Don't you
Hmm.
love your husband? And did you have fight with him? That's why you didn't.
Uh-huh. Right, right.
It's a
Yes.
part. Actually, henna shows our affection and togetherness. What I feel.
Hmm. Right. So I'm
Hmm.
also going to apply it today. At least I can do that.
Yes, yes, you should. And I want to ask, why don't you
Hmm.
observe fast on Karwa Chauth?
Uh-huh.
So is it not your tradition?
No, no, it's not in our tradition. I am from Uttarakhand and Gadwali. So it's not in our tradition, but people keep fast here. They observe fast, uh,
Mhm.
just out of their own choice. Like there is no such tradition, but they do it because they like it and they see in Bollywood movies also. So they do
Mhm.
it in their own way. Like there is no ritual kind of or no vidhi vidhan kind of, right? So they do it as per their own convenience. But I'm not in favor of that. And I don't observe any fast for that matter. Maybe later in life I'll start observing fast, but not now.
Mhm.
So, yes, that way. And it's also not in our culture, so I don't bother about it a lot.
Okay. So have
Mhm.
you ever seen your mother observe fast on the day of
No, no,
Karwa
no.
Chauth?
Nobody in our house.
Okay.
Not even in my in-laws' house. Nobody takes it.
Okay. I am
Hmm.
taken aback. It is quite surprising for me. I thought
Uh-huh.
it is celebrated in northern part of India.
People do
Punjab,
celebrate.
Haryana. Right?
People
Yeah.
do celebrate, but it was not there in our tradition. They have started doing it by
Mhm.
imitating others or by getting influenced by these Bollywood movies, serials,
Mhm.
and everything. So they've started doing it. But later on, like people say that if you take it once, then you have to take it for the lifetime.
For
So
the lifetime.
sometimes, like here in my area, my sister-in-laws, they say, now we are regretting that why we have taken or why we took up that fast once and now we have to take it forever. So my sisters-in-law, they regret a little bit.
Okay, no problem. And I am very enthusiastic about all the festival. Even we don't celebrate Ganesh Chaturthi, it is celebrated in Maharashtra. But whenever I see them, they are enjoying, they are celebrating. So I always tell my husband, we will
Mhm.
go to Maharashtra during Ganesh Chaturthi.
Hmm.
And yes, so before Dashera, there were what was the festival? Navratris, Dandiya nights, and all that. So
Yes.
when I was seeing they are dancing with
Mhm.
Dandiya dance, or I was so fascinated. I want to experience it. Then
Hmm.
I told my husband we will go to Gujarat during
Uh-huh.
Dandiya time. I would buy a traditional ethnic dress,
Mhm.
lehenga, and then I will play there.
Amazing, amazing. I tell you like about this Ganesh Chaturthi also. Here in our tradition, we keep Ganesh Bhagwanji in our house. We don't immerse Ganesh
Immerse.
ji. Hmm. But
Hmm.
in Maharashtra, they immerse Ganesh. They welcome and Ganesh ji stays at their house for some time and then
Hmm.
they immerse him, right? But it's not in our culture. But people
Hmm.
here, some of them, they have copied this tradition like without the knowledge, without the complete knowledge of
Hmm.
our tradition first, because it's not
Hmm.
in our tradition. We don't immerse Ganeshji. We don't let him go from our house. He will always stay here, right? He should be in the temple there. But they have simply started doing it. So it has become a
Hmm.
trend now. But why are you losing your own tradition to follow
Hmm.
someone's else tradition, right? You have to respect
Hmm.
your tradition first. Or when you don't have complete knowledge about it, why are you doing it? I
Why
feel
are
that
you
way.
doing? Hmm. Yeah, I personally feel the same as you are feeling. We should not immerse the Ganesh in the water. That is that is not good actually. It
Hmm.
creates pollution and all that. So I don't like this thing about Ganesh Chaturthi. After
Hmm.
it is so auspicious and after worship it, we just immerse it,
Hmm.
right?
But there must be
But
some logic behind it in their tradition, right? In Maharashtra, there must be some logic behind it. That's why they have been following this tradition for so long. But it's not in our tradition, it's not in our culture. So, like,
mm-hmm.
we are born differently, we have diverse culture, diverse rituals.
I I always feel we should embrace other cultures as well.
Hmm. Yes.
If we like, I am fascinated about all the like Calcutta Durga Puja, so I want to experience it.
Hmm.
I don't know
Yes,
why I'm that kind of girl.
it's good.
When I see people are enjoying, so I want
Hmm.
to be part of their culture.
Yes, I feel that. It's good
Hmm.
to participate in other cultures also.
Hmm.
But when I talk about
Hmm.
Karwa Chauth also, so you should do it with proper rules, proper vidhi
Proper.
vidhan. If you are
Hmm.
observing this fast, don't just do it
Hmm.
anyway, like just like that you're
Hmm.
doing as per your convenience. Then what is the point behind it, right? Either do it with
Yes.
all rules and regulation, whatever it is, proper vidhi vidhan, or don't do it at
Yeah.
all, right?
Yeah, yeah. So we need to do it wholeheartedly.
Yes, yes, wholeheartedly.
My mother-in-law always used to tell me,
Uh-huh.
"Kutsum, you don't need to take so hard this fast. You can take sargi in the morning." She used to give me like sweets and
Mm-hmm.
some sweets and savory. I
Hmm.
don't know their names. So, but she told me if you don't like it, you can have your paratha, radish paratha,
Mm-hmm.
potatoes paratha, what you like. So she was very modern in her thoughts. She didn't
Mm-hmm.
tell me you have to do this. You can take sargi as you want, and in
Mm-hmm.
the afternoon you can also take a glass of water and
Right.
tea, fruits, what you like.
Mm-hmm.
But it's been a long time. She's no more. So
Mm-hmm.
I
I'm
really
really
miss
sorry to
her.
hear that. Yes, it
Yeah,
feels
I
so
miss
good when
her
your
as
mother-in-law
well.
is so supportive.
Yes, yes.
Mm-hmm.
Hmm.
Right. And I tell you, in Bihar, they celebrate Chhat Puja, and that is really a
Chhat
very
Puja,
tough one. It's very
tough
tough. They don't even
one.
drink water. So
Mhm.
why don't people copy that fast? Because it's tough. It's not convenient. So they don't
Yeah,
adopt it
yeah.
at all. Right. But Karwa
Hmm.
Chauth is convenient, and then Ganesh
Convenient.
Chaturthi is convenient. So they do it. But why not Chhat
Yes.
Puja? Do it that also. I mean, do that also. That's a tough one,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah, Chhat Puja is for 2 days. You don't need to
Hmm.
drink water 2 days. So it's quite hard right?
It's
Hmm.
quite hard, it's quite tough, and that's why people don't adopt it,
Hmm.
right? It's
Hmm.
restricted to Bihar
Yeah.
only, right? And it's definitely in their culture, so they are
Hmm.
pursuing it.
True, true. And
Hmm.
festival don't give just us happiness, it brings our family together, right?
Hmm.
So
True.
this is the one thing I really like it.
Same here,
Hmm.
same here.
So what do
People
you
come. hmm
Yeah,
Like on
continue.
Holi, our extended family, those who are not even living here,
Hmm.
they would wait for this
Hmm.
day. They would wait for Holi, and they would make sure
Yes.
to visit our village and celebrate it together. So we also look forward to it. Diwali is
Mm-hmm.
just around the corner, so we are expecting many people to come here and celebrate Diwali with us, right? Because they come to their hometown.
Hmm.
It's not like because that's their real
Hmm.
home. So they want to lighten their
Hmm.
real home, brighten and lighten their real home. So that's why. And it feels so
Hmm.
good to meet them, especially on festivals, because the vibe is completely different.
Different, yeah. Yes, yes, true,
What
true.
about you?
And
You
what
live
do
in your
you
joint family, no?
Yes, yes, I live in joint family.
Mm-hmm.
So I really enjoy all the festival as I mentioned you. And one thing I also love getting dressed up from head to toe. Even I
Mm-hmm.
know only basic makeup. I'm not good at it. Sometimes you won't believe I don't know how to put eyeliner. So
Uh-huh.
sometimes I try
Neither do
I
I.
try my Okay, so we are on the same page. My husband always tells me you don't need to put eyeliner. It's completely superfluous. You don't look good at it. Please
Mm-hmm.
remove it. But I want to learn it. I can't. I think it's not my cup of tea because I'm not into it. I'm not able to do it well. So
Mm-hmm.
that is the reason.
But with
Hmm.
practice, you'll definitely get it, right? I think it's not
No,
too
I'm
tough.
not into it.
Uh-huh.
I'm not inclined towards makeup.
Uh-huh. Like these
So
days, these beauticians are teaching self makeup also. At just
yes.
5,000, you can learn self makeup from them. So you should go for that. If you're really into makeup and dolling yourself up, that would be good for you.
But what I personally feel, Sunita, it's a skill. It will just
Mhm.
come by practice only.
Yes.
I have, watched lots of videos, but I cannot do it because we don't know which foundation we need to use according to our skin color,
Hmm.
right? Which will go. There are lots of varieties available. These and brands. I don't know much about it. So
But
it's a
when you
skill
get
we
a little
cannot learn just
guidance,
by watching.
yes, it's
Mhm.
definitely a skill. But if you get a little bit of guidance there, so it will take less time for you to learn that skill, isn't it?
I have made several attempts to learn it, but I couldn't succeed.
Uh-huh.
And these days we have filtered.
Hmm.
So I don't take it as a struggle. I just use
Uh-huh.
filters. Yeah, that's
Great, 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 great. It's an easy way out, I must say. I also have a lot of makeup
Yes.
products, and I got this from one of the brands that I have seen on Shark Tank. Right. So I have gathered all the products, but I rarely get any time to use them. And I'm not like sometimes you
Okay.
get that hunch or you get that hit that I need to have some makeup products and I will do this, I'll do that, and then you keep on gathering these products and you don't even use them at
Hmm.
all.
Yes, yes. Because we are not into it, right? And I think
Mhm.
your sister-in-law is a makeup artist,
Yes,
right?
yes, yes, she is a makeup artist.
So she is always there for you.
But we are poles apart, you can say. Like she is into makeup and I'm not at all into makeup. So, like,
Okay.
she is of no use for me.
No, whenever there is any occasion or wedding,
Uh-huh.
you don't need to go to the salon,
We
right? You have
still don't
someone.
do much makeup on weddings. Like you'll feel
Okay.
awkward because in villages people don't put much makeup on their faces. So if you do,
Mhm.
so you'll be like you'll be seen completely different from others. You'll stand out and you don't want to
Black sheep. You
stand
will be
out.
black sheep.
Ah, right. And you feel like every eye is on you. Like you'll be on that spotlight. So that happens. So we do a little bit of like we'll apply CC cream. I don't apply foundation because I feel
Mhm.
it becomes a little cakey. So that's why I don't apply. Although I have one with me, but I don't apply CC cream and then a little bit of
Mhm.
lipstick. And what else? Then
Mhm.
compact powder. Just that on weddings.
Okay. So that's okay. You have a natural beauty, right? You don't need to do loads of makeup.
When I was in
Yes,
city, no,
yes.
that time I used to do it. I used to go to salon and then get my makeup done from there because it's like when you're in, what was that proverb? When you are in Rome,
Mm-hmm.
what was that proverb? Ki jaisa desh waisa bhesh.
I don't know in English.
Something like
You are
that.
an
When
English
you're in Rome,
trainer.
dress like Romans. Something like that. Uh-huh.
That's nice. Even, when there is an event, I have to go to the salon because
Hmm.
I love to do makeup. I don't know how to do, but I always go there.
Hmm.
Then I face again struggle. Who will drop me? Who will pick up me? But
Hmm.
I have to do, yeah.
It depends what kind of place you live in, right? If others do makeup on weddings, then you also have to do it. Otherwise, again, you will be standing out differently. Like you are not
Different.
you'll be the one who is not doing any makeup at all, and
Mhm.
the others will
Mhm.
be in makeup. So again, you'll
Makeup.
feel a little awkward there.
Little awkward. Yeah. Yeah,
Hmm.
true.
And how is
So
your
tell me about.
English practice going on? I've seen many of your
He,
videos with Nand Kumar Gopalan sir.
okay, he is a renowned personality on YouTube. You're right.
Uh-huh.
Everybody watches him, and I am
Mm.
learning from him. These days my practice revolves around listening and speaking, and I'm not into English movies. And sometimes I watch podcast whenever I get time,
Mhm.
but I am improving day by day. So that's a great thing for me.
Right, I can see that you have
Mhm.
transformed a lot. And how do you
Mhm.
manage to get slots of Nand Kumar Gopalan sir? What is the secret?
Sometimes, sometimes I upload old stuff, old
Uh-huh.
videos.
Uh-huh.
You
Okay.
can see the difference. Yeah.
Right, right, right. Okay, yeah.
It's very hard to get his slot.
Yes, it's really very hard.
You won't believe sometimes I watch his slots like 20, 30 times in a day. Then I
Mm-hmm.
am able to grab it.
And one
Otherwise,
sudden day
it.
I just got it. Like in the morning, I was just scrolling through English Yari, and there I found Nand Kumar Gopalan sir. And I was taken aback, like, how come is this possible? And I immediately booked it. So just once I got
Yes,
that.
and sir is very, yeah. And I would say Sir is very smart. He doesn't open his slots at once. He opens
Mm.
like in the one slot in the morning, then in the afternoon, then in the evening, so that
Mm.
every students can take the advantage of his slots. Everybody
Mm.
wants to learn from him
Right,
because the
right.
way he teaches, it's really amazing.
Yes,
Hmm.
yes. And even if you don't get their
Yeah.
slots, you can still watch him on YouTube, right? And gain the knowledge from there.
Yes, I do
Hmm.
the same. Yeah. So what about your YouTube? You are going to hit 50K, right? Before Diwali?
I don't know. It's moving at a slow pace now, not that quick, but let's see. Like Diwali is on 20th. I don't think I'll be able to hit 50K by then.
No, you just have to increase 4-5 thousand, right? You are
Hmm.
46 plus.
For a
So
6 plus.
maybe more than 50.
But
Hmm.
let's see. Hope for the
Yeah.
best.
So what are your plans? Yeah, what are your plans? What will you do
Uh-huh.
after getting 50K?
There are no plans as such, but I would definitely feel happy about it. And we'll throw a small party. What else we can do? Like in village, we can't do much, but we are
Hmm.
content.
Hmm.
I told in many of my videos that I don't get extremely happy about something or extremely sad about something.
Hmm.
So I
Hmm.
feel content that yes, I have put my hard work out
Hmm.
there and people have appreciated me and I have achieved this target. So I feel happy about it. But I don't get extremely thrilled. I don't know, it doesn't come from within. So
Okay.
that's the
Yeah.
reason.
But I am happy with small, small things.
Uh-huh.
Even if there is my husband's birthday, my kid's birthday, I get so excited before a
Mm-hmm.
month, and I always think what I need to do, what I would cook, where would we celebrate. So
Uh-huh.
I don't know, but I feel so thrilled.
It's
Even
something
I my
normal. It's normal, but I would say I'm a bit abnormal there.
yeah, but when sometimes I feel depressed as well. If something
Mm-hmm.
is not going smoothly, so I
Mm-hmm.
get so devastated and overwhelmed. Yeah, what I
Hmm.
need to do now? So just
Hmm.
I call my mother and my husband. So they always tell me, you don't need to get panic, take it lightly.
Hmm.
But I can't do it.
I can relate
It's
with you here because when you get extremely happy, so on the other hand, you get extremely sad also, right? So
yes.
I feel that I'm on the safer side here. I keep the balance.
Yes. We need
Right.
to have patience.
So thank you
Yeah,
so
really
much.
lovely talking to you.
Same here, same
Today
here.
I felt so friendly with you. In
Uh-huh.
the beginning, I was saying Sunita ma'am. Then there was a gap when we say ma'am, so
Hmm.
we can't open up easily,
Right,
right? But
right.
when we call our names, then we can open our heart
Hmm.
and what we want to speak. We speak
Yes.
our heart. Hmm.
It feels like we are talking to a friend, and then you can
Friends. So,
be just yourself. That's so
yes. So
true.
you made me comfortable today.
Great, great. So happy Karva Chauth in advance. Enjoy your day,
Hmm.
right?
Yeah. Thank you
And
so much, and you too.
thank you. Thank you. And look forward to meeting you again sometime later.
Yeah, yeah. I'm always ready having a conversation with you.
Okay, then
Okay, bye
enjoy your day.
bye.
Bye. Take care.
Yeah.